2 of Bird Hotel. Yes, I'm finally here. Look at all those birds. Look at that. They're so beautiful. Let me quickly check in. Or let me quickly log in. Okay, it's room 10. It's the first floor. The first floor. Wow, look at all these birds. Whoa. That's awesome. They're so beautiful. Wow, look at this beautiful garden. Is this their cage? Wow, so beautiful. Oh, some food for the birds. Wow, look at this bird. And this bird. You okay, little baby? Who's that? Oh, who's that one? Look at you. You're so beautiful. You have babies. How cute. Wow. There's even a hammock. I'm going to go to the hammock. This is so relaxing. This is so relaxing. Are those mangoes? Wow, that's awesome. I think I'm just gonna rest here for a bit. 5 minutes later. That was a good cat nap. Now, I am going to go and see all the rest of the mangoes. Oh! Look at all the birds, are so beautiful. Wow, look at that. Anyway, look at all these mangoes. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This place is awesome. Look at that bird all the way up there. Wow, it's so beautiful. Oh, well, I think, oh my gosh, look at all the trees. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Anyway. Look at the birds, they're all so pretty. I want to go look at them. That bird is like Spider-Man. Hi! I want to see if I can grab one. I want to grab you. Huh, they don't let me catch him. I'll come back later, see if I can catch any other one. Let's go around here. Look at these beautiful flowers. Wow, they're so pretty. This one's too. Oh, this one died. That one's pretty. Look at these birds. Look at that one all the way up there. Look at those. Yes. Excuse me. Thank you, little birdie. Hi. Let's get inside to my room. Get to my room.